Here's a couple Ruud Achiever central air conditioners running. 2 Goodmans also running. That air is spicy hot. This is a 4-ton from 2001. Grill is partially chipped there. These are 10 sear.
Have y'all seen the data sheets?
That one's 2001. I haven't looked at that one.
Yeah, this one's from 2001 as well.
It even says where they cool, what part of the building they cool. So this is a 2018 14 seer 5-ton. There's a mini split right here. C&H, if I'm reading that correctly. And the fan is facing the wall for whatever reason. And I'm not sure why this line is cold.
Probably dripping. It's just dripping.
Yeah. $2022. Oh, this is brand new.
Yep.
2022 5-ton, 14 seer.
This one's brand new.
This replaced the 2001 Ruud Achiever.
That train over there just shut off. Unless that was a, yeah, no, that was a refrigeration component.
I know the valve. Yeah.
5-ton from 2013. This one has been running. 2015. That's a 5-ton, I think. There's the data on that one. Oh, this one's a 3-phase.
What's this?
I think all the trains are 3-phase.
Well, I mean, like, there's a red one.
This is an XB13.
2015 Carrier Comfort. These trains were put in by Reliable.
Yeah. See that condensation right there?
2015.
We got more reams of the same model over here. Oh, they're Ruud. Smaller one. This one's from 2002. That's a 43,000 BTU. Pretty sure these are all straight cool units. Since it says air conditioner at the top. This one's a 37,000 BTU.
2002.
This one's also 2002.
Yeah, they're all 2002.
Let's see about this one.
Probably 3 or 4 times.
Now this one does not have the data sheet, unless it's over here. Oh, it is. This one's a 5-ton. We got a bunch of brand new Daikins.
All these used to be stamped octagons from 2001. These are the ones that do my dad's
One shut off.
business.
Probably that one over there. 5-ton, 13 seer. I thought 13 seer was phased out by this point.
Oh, is it 13?
Yeah, it is a 13 seer.
Whoops. These came from up north. They're the only ones that come from. Yep, 122, 4-ton, I think.
I think this is the one that was running when we first got here. This is a 4-ton. same thing.
The bag. Cherry bag. That's been running.
I think these all have.
2022. Okay. Yeah, the door's shut.
These are the last of the bunch. Gotten slightly older Daikin.
These are older Daikins.
2015 4-ton, 13 seer.
5-ton.
Yeah, these are 3-phase as well. They're all 5-ton. Both of the Tranes are 5-ton. I think the Daikins are all 4-ton. Yep.
Look, they're old line sets.
Also 2015. It's a 4-ton as well. There's the old line set right there.
Look, this Daikin one was yellowed out.
Well, that's gonna be it for this video.
Look at that new moss.
Oh! Look out!
Oh.